Well, hello there guys, and welcome to another video here of, I think this is my first video, yeah. So I will just be showing you guys on how to make your pig farm on Minecraft. Well, there's going to be a server coming out soon, so y'all guys can play on it. I need to port forward. I might get Hamachi. I might use Hamachi to port forward, because I don't feel like port forwarding. Alright, thank you for understanding. But anyways, let's just get this right here. And we just need to put some fences. So if you have too many items, you can just find them right here by the redstone torches. So if you have a difficult time finding them, you just can find them right there. And there you go. And just do this, do that, do that, do that. And then, there we go. There we go, right there. And I'm just going to put a little, there you go. And then you need to put, you have to do this to make it work. Put one right there, put one torch in all the corners, just like I did, to make it work. You have to do this to make it work. You literally have to do this to make it work. So after you do that, you can put two or one. I want to be greedy, so I'm just going to put two. And there are your pigs. Well, they're not spawning in correctly. So, let's keep them. They were just pigs. There you go. There's your pigs, and there's a lot of pigs in this one. So yeah. Oh, gotta run, gotta run, gotta run. Alright, so thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah.